Welcome to lesson 5 of the starter course. In this lesson, we're going to talk about risk and session discipline. So the model is clear. It is a risk framework first and then an entry framework second. Here are my rules that are non-negotiable. I trade within the New York session, which is 9:30 to 11 a.m. Eastern. I take a maximum of 2 trades per session. 2 losses in the session, you're done. No other trades, no revenge trades, no trying to make any money back, no excuses, no exceptions. So the risk is 1% for evaluations or prop firm accounts. And once you're funded, you reduce that to 0.5% per trade. You scale down your risk as your account scales up, not the other way around. I do a single exit. I do not take partials. However, I move my stop loss to break even at 1:1. I trail my stop loss as price develops, and I close in full at my price target. So I don't take trades when there's news scheduled at 10 a.m. Eastern. I stand down, I wait for the reaction before I take my trades, because the 10 a.m. news release can invalidate your level. So there's a question, why do hard stops? It's because the model actually tells you where to look, and risk management is what keeps a wrong read from becoming a blown account. Now, 2 losses and you're done doesn't mean you're being pessimistic or you're being fearful. It is what keeps you in the game. It is what lets you show up again tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video.